Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power off and remove the ear pads if they come off to expose the ear cup rims. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe loose dust first so you don't push debris into mesh. Mix a few drops of mild soap and water in a small bowl and dampen a corner of the cloth. Do not soak. Once done, use a dry swab to lift moisture away from seams so components stay protected and you're ready for deeper cleaning. Now focus on grime. Dip a cotton swab in 70% isopropyl and squeeze off excess so it's damp, not dripping. This disinfects and evaporates quickly. Work the swab around the ear cup rim, seam, and any fabric mesh with light pressure. Why? To avoid pushing liquid through to drivers. For stubborn gunk, use a soft brush or a toothpick wrapped in cloth to lift particles slowly. Make sure to follow with a slightly damp cloth and finish with a dry microfiber to prevent moisture buildup. Reattach the ear pads only after everything is completely dry. Give parts 30 to 60 minutes depending on humidity. Reconnect and test at low volume. Listen for balance and distortion. If sound is muffled, make sure no fabric or lint is trapped. Remove pads and repeat the gentle cleaning and drying sequence. If moisture-related noise persists, power down and let dry longer in a warm, ventilated area. As a last resort, contact Sony support for service if performance does not return to normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.